The other day, me ask a girl a question. Me say, yo, babe, how much money you ever talk to before me even talk to you? Cause me have my girlfriend.
I only slept with one guy. What you take me for, a whore?
Me just pull that car up on her and say, show me your pum pum papers.
You see the way my papers is set up? I gotta...
She must have feel my born yesterday. I thought, boy, I only one man them ever been with in them whole entire life. What if we did have something named pum pum facts or pum pum papers? Basically, what we mean by that is, you see all the way the girl been through. Hold on, I know not serious, but just a say, if only did have that paper there. Yo, for the youth them out there, you ever meet a girl for the first time and you really want to do something with her, but you don't know her history, what she got through, all of the money when she sleep with, how much time she have STD, all of that. What if every time you meet a girl, she come with her pum pum papers? What for going?
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
So you get a condom.
Condom? Oh, hold on. Before we have sex, let me see your papers.
What papers? I told you I have my green card already.
Not that papers there. Papers your pum pum. A whole heap of people this sir. Shit. You did that with Lincoln?
Make the pussy queen, make the pussy queen.
Shit. I'll let you too?
Me love you, me love you, me love you.
No man, that's too much. Popcorn?
The road of the taken.
No, this can't work. Me done. If it are really good, if she come with her pum pum papers, you know, and you can tell if you want her or not, it would have been much easier.
I'm gifted like a present, but I'm so futuristic. My grow futuristic, my flow futuristic, my dough futuristic, my whole futuristic. Yes, you know if you take it down low, futuristic. And I'm the kind of guy where everybody want to know. Clean like whistle, so the gal them want to blow. The gal them want to blow, them off to take it down low, and she could only stay around if she could do it like a pro. Whoa, yeah.